Hi everyone, it's Dr. Raj. So today I wanted to continue to talk about the Higgs boson particle. It's actually theorized, and the proof seems to be that it is a subatomic particle. So how they discovered this was, you may have heard of the Hadron Collider, Hadron Collider. Remember, each atom is made up of three parts: protons and neutrons, and then the electrons that surround that. What they did is they took two protons and they speed them up in this tunnel, and then they collide them together in this Hadron Collider, or Hadron Collider, depending how you want to pronounce it. So what they discovered is when they collided these two subatomic particles, protons, is they seem to get even a smaller particle, the Higgs boson subatomic particle. Now again, this is significant. Why? Because it is these particles that are in a matrix of sorts, or in this field, the Higgs field, that give rise to mass. Now remember, mass is anything with weight. Remember Einstein's E equals mc squared. The energy equals the mass times c, the speed of light, squared. So this helps us understand how mass itself is created. Now, this is significant because you and I are mass, right? And we are also energy. And in this field, as particles move through this field, if they gain mass, they can become you, me, the air, the chair, the desk. All these things are made up of atoms. If they move through this field and do not accumulate mass, then they are moving just at the speed of light. Again, this is what Einstein was looking for. He was looking for a unified field theory, something that would explain existence itself. And they seem to have some significant movement in having some evidence in how this works. Now, the part I want to emphasize today was, remember, our thoughts are a result of our brain cells, our neurons in our brain, that themselves are in this Higgs field, that are being expressed in this matrix, that can attract mass. Now, if you think about it, when you have an idea and you say, I can't do it, well, it doesn't happen. But as soon as you start believing that it can, it actually starts attracting some mass, or reality starts manifesting in such a way that these things start happening. So I can't get into medical school. I used to actually have that belief at one point, and guess what? I didn't get in. But when I started believing that I could get in, not too many years later, but a few years later, I would get in. So our thoughts, this suggests that our thoughts can attract mass, or attract reality and change reality. I know that sounds kind of far out there, but I think there's some evidence now, at least suggestive, that this is real. That what we believe actually impacts what we create in our lives. Well, that idea is not new, right? That's been out there for a while. So here's one thing I want to add to that. It's not just what you believe in your conscious thoughts, it's what you believe in your unconscious thoughts. It's those beliefs that we have tucked away, the I'm not worthy, the I'm not smart enough, the I'm not good looking enough, all those things that hold us back, because those are our truest beliefs. And then they do not allow you to manifest the reality that you want. This is Dr. Raj saying, be well.